Hi, Kevin and Carrie. Welcome to your IKEA kitchen tour. I wanted to show you the floor plan before I start showing you cabinet by cabinet. Um, there's a lot of filler pieces in here around the corners so that we could ensure that these drawers pull out easily and don't hit the other cabinets. I also added a little bit of a counter overhang. I can't add the quartz countertops to this, but I just put in the laminate so you could see what it looks like with something there. And then where you see this door, where the edge of this trim is actually where your opening begins, so that's the end of your wall. That was just easier for me to illustrate with the door here than trying to build it to scale. So let's show you here what this looks like. Okay, so here is your kitchen. I'll go ahead and do a 360 view and then we can look at it closer. Okay, so here's your 30-inch pantry. And you can see we're just clearing the light switch on the side, and then right here is where your door begins. This has two big drawers at the bottom and two interior drawers when you open the doors above. And then to the right, we have the refrigerator cabinet. This is 15 inches tall and 36 inches wide. So there'll be a little bit of space with your existing fridge, but you can always, have room to grow that way, which is nice. There's a panel on the right that goes all the way down to the floor. So if you're going to have your flooring done, you'll definitely want to have that in place before you put the cabinets in. And we have the dishwasher to the right of that. And a 30-inch sink cabinet. So this should fit your plumbing in there easily. I did 2 inches of filler here and here. So on the plan it works out really well, and during installation they'll be able to really customize it to fit perfectly. It's a little tricky trying to plan out for that exactly. Here we have a 30-inch wide drawer, and I did the small, medium, large. I typically use this in most cases. I think it gives you kind of a little bit of everything. So you're getting, your small storage, medium, and large. And this is 5-inch drawer panel. This is 10. And then the one at the bottom is a 15-inch. And then to the left of the range, this is an 18-inch wide drawer. Same configuration. And above, we had enough room for a 36-inch cabinet. Open shelves. There's no bar here in the middle. It's just all open. And this is a 21-inch wide. To the right of the range, there's a 30-inch drawer and a 30-inch cabinet above. and then just a little bit of filler to the wall here and here. And then we have the micro cabinet wall. So your microwave sits in the middle, and then up above you get open shelving, and then below I did the 2 large drawers. So you can change this as well. You can do small, medium, large. You can do all medium. These all change out, so if you have any preference, that's something we can work on during our revisions. And then this is 24 wide to the right of that. So these are both, this is 24 wide and this is 24 wide. Small, medium, large on this one. And above that we have 36-inch wide cabinet. So again, nice big cabinet, no bar in the middle, so you can fit quite a bit in there. And then on the Peninsula, this is 36 inches. And I've, again, stuck with the same configuration. Here on the back side of the Peninsula, we'll have a cover panel that will cover this entire space of the back, and then there's a little bit of room to use that empty corner for a cabinet. So we just did a 21-inch wide open cabinet there. I hope you enjoyed your tour. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help you with any revisions that you'd like to make. Thank you.